Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add page label to a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element software. Now click on this page thumbnail option and see this there is no page labeling this PDF file and click this thumbnail page and click right button for your mouse and here you will find this page label option. Click here. Now you can add page label, selected page or specific page range or all page. I'll apply all of these pages and beginning new section. You can add Roman numeric number. This is alphabetic number and this is serial number. I will add serial number. Also you can add prefix. You can start this serial number 2, 3 or 4 or you can start 1. I will start 1 and I'll start add prefix some b and see this and 0. Now simply select apply and see this serial number this page labeling now added. Yeah, this is and finally select this file option, save or save as PDF file. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.